Hi yogis, welcome back to Yoga Postures Fundamentals with Sevi. In this episode, we're going to practice straddle variations. That requires lots of patience, lots of consistency when you practice, and of course, techniques. You need to know ways you can advance your practice. And in this tutorial, I'll offer you a few ways. And if you're a beginner, make sure to stop this tutorial as many times as you need in order to follow your own pace. And take breaks if needed, hydrate yourself, and have fun. To begin with, close your eyes, rest your palms on top of your knees, and take a moment to meditate or to check in with your body. Notice any sensations, any tingling. Begin to deepen your breaths. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck, relax your face. Maybe set your intention for this practice, whether it's strength or flexibility. Just keep that intention in your mind throughout your practice. Make sure to smile. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Alright. To come into straddle, spread your feet wide apart. Point your toes up toward the ceiling. Now, if you find your feet at this distance, even at this distance, it doesn't really matter. What matters is that you know the right techniques. And we're gonna work on that. Alright, keep your feet wide apart. Now bring your both hands right on the inside of your hip bones. Hold here, press your palms down to lift your chest up and push your chest forward toward the object right in front of you. And if you don't have that object, just imagine that you're trying to pull your chest forward to lengthen your spine. Here, I would suggest you to wiggle your hips. If you feel stiffness, wiggle your hips to open up your nadis, the energies that sometimes get trapped in our organs, our tissues. Eventually, you're gonna bring your palms down right in front of your groin to pull your chest forward. Continue to rock. Make sure to warm up your body before coming to deep postures. I typically start with sun salutations. If not, I'm just gonna do some wiggling in seated position. Maybe circle left and right, right and left. You can keep your hands anywhere to find more support. Maybe keep your hands above your knees or below. Begin to circle. Take your time, no rush. And try to link your breath to movements. Maybe close your eyes. Keep circling left and right, right and left. A few more times. Maybe twist to your left. Maybe twist to your right. And to your left. Take your time. Eventually, you're gonna lower your chest down a few inches off the ground. If accessible, grab your ankles with both hands to roll your legs away from your core. Pull your chest forward on your inhale. Hold here, add some wiggling again. Bring your palms down to the ground right in front of your chest. Slowly begin to walk your hands forward, stretching forward. Eventually bring your chin bone to the ground. Maybe press your right ear to the ground. Spend here a few breaths, maybe a minute or two, as long as you feel comfortable. Remember to feel no pain, just stretch. Push your edges and avoid pain. Maybe grab your heels with both hands to come into full straddle. And just rest here for a few breaths. Maybe switch side. Left ear to the ground, look to your right. Add some wiggling. Keep turning your ankles away from your core. It's a very active stretch. Alright, when you're ready to release from this posture, come up, and we're going to counter this posture with back bend. Fish pose. You're going to bring your knees together. If your knees are tight, I would suggest to keep your legs straight. If your knees are not tight, draw them together. Bring your sitting bones right in between your heels. Press your palms down to lift your chest on your inhale. On your exhale, hands backwards, eventually coming into your elbows. Lift your chest up and press the crown of your head down to the ground very lightly. Grab your big toes or your ankles with both hands for more stability and support. And just hang around here for a few breaths. It's a deep chest opener. So feel free to use blocks for more support. Just rest here for a few breaths. When you're ready, slowly come up onto your palms. To end your practice, make sure to take a moment to meditate, to let your body absorb all that experience you just had on your mat. And keep in mind that your playful, fun attitude allows you to build more strength and positive mindset around your practice on a daily basis. If you have questions, comments, suggestions, please comment below. And until next time, my friends, stay healthy. Namaste.